Okay, Nissan Serena C26 installed for Cogoo T series 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, IPS screen with OEM good fitting casing, OEM socket plug and play, connect original roof monitor and original reverse camera. Okay, Cogoo T series T3L version, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Android version 9. Turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. 2020 June version. It's come with a mic external microphone for Bluetooth use, steering control, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After that, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music, sharing phone music to car player. Equalizer, preset equalizer, file manager, big screen Android GPS player, no DVD, no SD card. It's come with 2 USB slot, USB extension, 2 slot, can connect for USB pen drive or portable hard disk. Okay, the USB extension normally we will put in a drawer, but you have to drill a hole here. Okay, selected optional. The car owner, if you don't want to drill a hole, the extension we can put it here. Okay, or you can drill a hole from here. Drill a small hole, the external USB extension can come out from here. Easy to plug in. Radio, so select the frequency you want, long press to save it, FM2, FM AM, FM1. Okay, play for the video. Press home. So this is PIP, picture in picture. Square icon, long press, draw it. So this is left right screen, split screen function. Clear apps. Play Store, download app. Aux video input and video output. Okay, so this is Cogoo T series, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, Android GPS big screen player, 9-inch IPS screen with OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play, connect original reverse camera and roof monitor. Installed by OneBiz, video by Andy, our new shop. Thank you.